Hi everyone, welcome to Razorpay Payroll. We are not just a payroll processing software, but we also provide comprehensive HRMS features like offer letter generation, CTC calculation, and more. We are dedicated to making HR processes as smooth as possible. Today, we'll focus on creating offer letters, an essential step in welcoming new team members. At first, after logging in into Razorpay X Payroll, you will need to click on the very first admin option, call people that you see on the left of the screen, and here you can click on any employee's name. Upon an employee's profile, you will have the option called Generate Document on the right. Once you click on this, you can see multiple tools mentioned on the right hand side of the dashboard for you, and we give you the option to select as many as 8 types of documents and generate them on the platform. You can either generate an offer letter, contractor agreement, appointment letter, appraisal letter, bona fide letter, address proof, and even relieving letter for your employees. In order to generate an offer letter, you will first need to select the employee, go ahead and put across their values across the placeholders, for example, company name, company address, current date, employee name, job title, put across their annual CTC, give them a manager name, put across the employee's date of joining, last date for acceptance of the offer letter as well, the HR name over here, and the HR's phone number in case if you want to put across these details. You can also go ahead and click on including the X payroll generated salary structure from the annual CTC into the offer letter. If not, you can very simply go ahead and disable this option and click on generate letter. With this option, you will have a PDF generated. Just try and generate a PDF on the platform. Now, this particular offer letter does not have the annexure B, that is the CTC component within the employee offer letter. Let's generate one that displays the X payroll salary structure from the annual CTC that you have input over here for the employee into the offer letter. This is how the software will display the annexure A and the annexure B, that is the CTC component of the employees and the bifurcation within the employee's offer letter. Let's go back to the dashboard right now. You can even send the offer letter via email to the employee directly through the dashboard. Now, in case if you are an HR and you want to look into a salary preview calculation for your employees, we give you the right option here called our salary preview tool. This tool is very helpful in case if you are an HR and you want to see how an employee's salary will look like with the in hand and the other details. Let's put across the annual CTC over here as 8 lakhs. Put the deduction label as medical insurance, and click on whether you want the employee to be contributing for provident fund and calculate salary. The software will now display you the total calculations of the employee CTC and the estimated in hand that you can propose to your employees going further. We also give you a CTC calculator on the right. This tool is again useful in case if you promise an employee an enhanced salary and you want to calculate what their estimate CTC to the company will look like. Let's put across a figure over here called 40,000, and this is what you might have promised your employee. You can also include whether you want to contribute to PF and calculate the CTC. The software will now display you the estimated monthly CTC and the annual CTC as well. You can now preview the estimated salary preview breakup for your employee. We also give you the option to edit and view the templates for all these letters that you find by default on the platform. You can go ahead and edit our offer letter as well and update the template according to your company policy. We also give you the option to add more letter templates on the platform. To do this, you can go ahead and click on Add Template and put across your letter content here. We give you the option to create as many as 20 templates on the platform and that should be useful for you in order to send out letters and different kinds of agreements to your employees. This is how Razorpay X Payroll makes your life simpler with our letter generation module. Hope this video is helpful to you today. We are looking forward to have you on board within the Razorpay X Payroll platform. Thank you.